Alright, in this video I'll show you how to change the color modes of the two joystick light rings using shortcut keys on the controller. By default, it's set to 1 RGB mode. Now, press FN plus D-pad right. To switch the lighting mode, just press once. One press will change the mode. The second effect is where the color changes as you move the joystick. When you move the stick, the light color will shift accordingly. See, the third effect is like a chasing light, with the LEDs spinning around both joystick rings. That's the third one. The fourth is a rainbow gradient fade. Next is the breathing modes. Red breathing, blue breathing, green breathing, orange breathing, blue solid, green solid. Sorry, I misspoke earlier. Those last few are actually solid color modes: blue solid, green solid, and red solid. In total, there are 11 lighting modes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. If you feel the lights are too bright or too dim, press FN plus D-pad left. To adjust the brightness, press FN plus left. Dimmer, dimmer again. And then dimmer, then press again to go back to the brightest. Level 2, level 3, and then dim. So yeah, 4 levels total. Adjust it however you like.